Welcome back. In this video we'll talk about burn victims and Parkland Formula. Burn patients will have severe dehydration, and often this is the cause of death. So the right amount of fluid has to be supplemented. And to calculate this very specific amount, we have the Parkland Formula. It simply states that you give the patient a volume of ringer lactate equal to 4 ml multiplied by body surface area multiplied by weight in kg. So 4 ml, we have no problem with that. The body surface area, which we'll talk about in a second, and the patient's weight in kilos. You give half of this amount in the first 8 hours, and you give the other half in the next 16 hours. And that concludes for a full 24 hours. To calculate the body surface area, remember that the palm of the hand is equivalent to 1%. And if we talk about the body segments, the head is 9%, each arm is 9%, each leg is 18%, the anterior torso is 18%, and the posterior torso is also 18%. So for example, if a patient came in with this burned area, and they weigh, for example, 70 kilograms, we can see that the body surface area injured is the arm, which is 9%, and half the torso, which is also 9%, totaling 18%. So we plug this into the Parkland formula, 4 ml multiplied by 18% multiplied by 70. We give half this amount in the first 8 hours, and the other half in the next 16 hours. Alright guys, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this helps.